Thirikari ĩrĩ na itanya rĩa kuongerera hinya wa thitima ũrĩa ũraciarithio nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ukuria na uthii wa nambere. Na mũbango ũcio nĩ ũgũkinyanĩra ica ikuhĩ thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kuruguria waki wa kiganda gĩa guciarithia thitima mwena wa Ol Karia. President augĩte waki wa kiganda kĩu kĩa Ol Karia nĩ ũgũtigĩrĩra hinya wa thitima nĩ wagĩa na thogora mũbacĩrĩre.
I take this opportunity to commend Kenyatta for the boldness in taking the calculated risk which saw them install the first 5 megawatt pilot project in 2009, a unit which has performed exceptionally well ever since. Today, we celebrate the completion of the last 14 units, the end of a process that has seen the company invest millions of dollars in the drilling of steam wells and in the installation of these highly innovative units.
Anyitite mĩmũtaratara-inĩ ũcio wa uthii wa nambere nĩ magathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩu rĩa Kenya kuongerera ũhoti wa guciarithia thitima.
Kenya is strong worldwide in terms of geothermal generation. With the today groundbreaking of 158 megawatts, that with the completion of that, Your Excellency, will push us to position 6 in the world. So we are growing, and we want, God willing, in the near future, Your Excellency, to be #1 in the world in terms of geothermal production, Your Excellency.
Specifically, thank you for your progressively commissioned the various phases of the energy sector up to the phase 5 that we are witnessing today. This, Your Excellency, is a very great achievement.
When Kenya hosted the 6th Tokyo International Conference on African Development last August, our Prime Minister Shinzo Abe expressed support for investment in geothermal and other renewable energy resources that are abundant in Africa. I am here today to fulfill our promise.
President nĩ orĩtie honge itiganĩte cihũthĩre njĩra njerũ cia mwanya nĩguo gũtheremia uthii wa nambere bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Where we get the electricity, which is stepped up to go to the grid. Now we can see how it's going to the grid through a transformer and then the power.